Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the lock screen and wallpaper on your Redmi 17. So first of all, let's lock our device's screen. Let's press the power button and hold our finger on an empty space of the lock screen. Then tap Customize Lock Screen at the bottom and enter your device's password. Okay, so if you tap Customize, you'll be able to entirely change your lock screen menu. But if you want to use a different preset, swipe down and select one of the classic presets, or one of the scenery presets, or one of the Eastern aesthetic presets. Now once you tap Customize, you'll be able to adjust the elements or complications of your lock screen, like date, which we can change in this menu, clock, which we can reposition, change the font and the style, the color. Then we can also add a signature at the bottom. We can add some effects to the wallpaper, like blur, lens, read it, ripped, prism. And we can change the wallpaper by selecting something from our gallery. If you tap wallpaper and then go to local photos and then allow the access to all photos in your gallery, you'll be able to select photos from your gallery to set them as wallpaper on your device. In themes, you can discover different themes on the internet, specifically in the store, and you can download them from here and set them for your Redmi. Besides, in the same menu, if we swipe to the right, we'll be able to adjust the wallpaper of the home screen. We can change the wallpaper of the home screen by tapping the wallpaper icon right here, selecting a different wallpaper. We can also make it blurred. And once you like the results, you can simply tap Apply in the top right corner. And this will customize both your lock screen and your home screen wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.